Hello everyone, my name is Hanifa and I'm from Class Management 24B with MPM 2441154. Today is learning session on HR Management Feasibility Study. Can this business really here train and keep the right people? When business evaluate a new project, expansion plan, or investment opportunity, they often focus on financial feasibility. However, even the strong financial plan can fail if the organization does not have the right people to execute it. This is where an higher management feasibility study becomes essentially it helps organizational determine with her hiring, training, and returning the record workforce in realities achievable and affordable. Is this a lesson we will explore their KRRs first, how HR planning is linked into business strategy. Second, how employment life cycle helps use assess work-life feasibility. And third, how organizational build a strong business case for discussion. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Workforce reality check. HR planning link into strategy is first step in anyway. HR feasibility study is understanding workforce recruitment. HR planning is systematic process of identification the number of employees and the skill need to achieve our organizational goals. This ensure that the right people available at the right time in the right place and with the right competition activity. HR planning goes beyond simply continuing employing is core for business demand work availability and checking skill recruitment. The next step is translating business strategy into HR objective. Supply forcing evaluate where those employees are currently available inside or outside the organization. Several methods can be used for forecasting. Actuative approaches include managerial judgment, explain, and scenario analysis. Quantitative qualitative method might influence their analysis workforce analysis and how force models. Organizational SWOT also identification potential risks during that step. For example, his employee turnover, skill store, or line recruitment lead times may affect workforce availability. Finally, an actual plan B development. These plans include hiring process, recruitment timelines, workforce budgeting, training schedule, and continuous strategies. And credibility workforce plan carry in identification assumption, responsibility, deadlines, and risk mitigation measure. By complementing this step, organizational can determine what their workforce recruitment are realities and achievable. Okay, next chapter. Chapter 2. The employment value can where feasibility gets testable. Work work cost recruitment have been identification organizational must evaluate the employing life cycle. The employment life cycle include recruitment, onboarding, training, reinforcement management, and reaction. The stake play an important role determine where the work and its feasibility. Let's start with recruitment and selection. Begin with its job analysis, qualification, and competitive market for its position. A company that costs recruitment channel serve as job portal, social media, university partnership, um, employment report, and research agency. Set interview and assessment to help organizational selection the most sustainable candidates will recurring here error. The third stage in training and development, employing often record additional skill before can perform actively. Organizational might use classroom training, e-learning platform, mentoring program, coaching, or the job learning. A feasibility study should assess whether the organizational the shifting training into budget and timing development influence. Reaction strategy might include competitive search, career development program, employing reaction system, flexibility work agreement, and wellness activity. At this stage, organizational perform a gap analysis. Gap analysis convert recap workforce capacity in available workforce reserve. Several types of gaps may emerge. Capacity gaps work the are not employments. Skill gap where employments located competitive. Okay. Next slide and maybe last slide yaitu chapter 3 to go no go HR business case. After analyzing workers recruitment and employee life cycle process, organizational must make a final discussion. This discussion is sparked by HR business case, and HR business case provide as the evidence that workers plan are practical available and link the business objective. A strong business case usually includes several components. First, an exhaustive summary that planning the purpose of proposal. Second, a clear problem statement describing workforce challenge. Third, alternative solution and recommend. Fourth, a detailed implementation plan outlining achievement, lines, responsibility, and cost. Finally, measurable success indicator. Organizational sought the several key performance metrics. This include time to fetch to productivity for new employment tour dates, training, complaints rate, cost per hour, and recruitment conference rates. Finally, organizational play discussion role of shall only be great when server operational needs, employee life cycle process, and additional plan and project benefit or works relating cost and risks. Okay, conclusion. To conclusion and HR feasibility study helps organizational determine whether they can successfully train development and retail work need to activity business. Remember, a business idea is only as strong as people will bring to life. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the learning session. I hope this presentation has helped you understanding the improvement of HR management, feasibility study, and how case support activity discussion making. Save you is the next lesson. Goodbye and have a great day.